pronoun is a word that replaces a noun in a sentence. Using pronouns helps avoid repeating the same nouns and makes sentences smoother. Types of pronouns. Subject pronouns, used as the subject of a sentence. Examples: I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Example sentences: I like apples. They are my friends. Object pronouns, used as the object of a verb or preposition. Examples: me, you, him, her, it, us, them. Example sentences: he gave me a gift. We saw them at the park. Replace the noun with a pronoun. Replace the underlined nouns with appropriate pronouns. John is a good boy. Sarah and I are going to the mall. Match pronouns to nouns. Match the noun on the left with the correct pronoun on the right. Noun Maria, pronoun she. Noun the dog, pronoun it. Identify pronouns. Find the pronouns in these sentences. She loves to read books. Pronoun she. They are going to the park with us. Pronouns they, us. Create sentences. Write sentences using these pronouns. They are my neighbors. It is a sunny day.